everyone! Dyma fersiwn mwy araf o'r gan Rhannau'r Corff. This is a slower version from the song about parts of the body for the smaller children, i rhai bach sy'n mwy llai. Felly mae Betsy mynd i helpu fi gyda'r gan hon. Betsy's going to help me with this song. So it's the same words, different music and a slower version. Barod? Othan ni